Welcome makers! I'm Catherine Harris with Stitchery, and each week I do sewing and DIY tutorials, so hit that subscribe button down below. This week I wanted to share with you block 6 called Sailors from the 2021 Summer Sampler Vintage Restyle. Now this block was designed by Lucy Engels from Lucy Engels. And she decided to do a new take on a traditional flying geese block, which is shown right here. And the way in which she decided to change things up a little bit was by adding some pieced stripped elements on here to add some visual interest, as well as differing the sizes of the flying geese so that you have a different array of patterns that are shown in this block. Now this block was fairly simple to put together, and if you need any tips and tricks on actually putting together some flying geese blocks, I will leave a video link down below for you. Now I also wanted to share with you what an entire quilt would look like made out of this lovely Sailors block. So let's get to building that block.